This is going to be the hardest and the saddest week of most Americans' lives, quite frankly. This is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment, our 9/11 moment, only it's not going to be localized. It's going to be happening all over the country.
Particularly New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Detroit. This week is going to be the peak week. It's going to be the peak hospitalization, peak ICU week, and unfortunately peak death week.
U.S. officials teeing up what's expected to be a tragic week south of our border. The number of coronavirus cases, confirmed cases in the U.S., now topping 350,000. The U.S. count nearing the number of confirmed cases in the next three countries, Spain, Italy, and Germany combined. The number of deaths in the U.S., more than 10,000. But Donald Trump expressing hope Monday, tweeting in all caps, light at the end of the tunnel.
We hope we're seeing a leveling off in the hottest spots of them all. So we'll see. You'll be seeing that over the next few days. Let's see what happens.
Trump speaking Sunday after New York, the hardest hit state, reported that for the first time in a week, deaths had fallen slightly from the day before. New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo sharing an update Monday.
Number of deaths are up once again. Number of people we lost, number of New Yorkers. 4,758, which is up from 159, but which is effectively flat for 2 days. While none of this is good news, the possible flattening of the curve is better than the increases that we have seen.
Cuomo warning, though, that now is not the time to be lax. He's extending an order to keep non-essential businesses and schools closed for another 2 weeks until April 29th. And he's requesting permission from Trump to shift the U.S. Navy hospital ship Comfort from a non-COVID facility to a COVID hospital. With the death toll still rising, the chair of New York City Council's Health Committee tweeting what he's calling a contingency plan. Posting soon will start temporary internment. This likely will be done by using a New York City park for burials. Yes, you read that right. Trenches will be dug for 10 caskets in a line. White House medical experts have forecasted that between 100,000 to 240,000 Americans could die in the pandemic, even if sweeping orders to stay home are followed. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.